Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. We are here in Jordan, in Baqa camp today. We are preparing for the 2025 Qurbani, Aghosh UK, from Aghosh UK. As you can see, the animals are being prepared for the Qurbani for tomorrow. We have also been doing the preparations for the zibah that will also be in this same place. You can see we have our volunteers have been doing the setup for the zibah for tomorrow. We will take the animal. We will take the animal tomorrow from there, and the slaughtering will be done there. There will be zibah down there, and then after that we will hang the animal on these, and then the skin will be taken off. And then we will cut it into pieces, and then back there we will package it and be ready for the Palestinian refugees. Those are living in Jordan. As you know, this all is because of your donations and your help. We couldn't do such a thing without your help. We are just preparing for everything for Palestinian people here, and this everything is by your help, and we couldn't do such a thing without your help. And for the distribution, there will come Palestinian families. Some will come here, some we will go to, and we are trying to go to schools, orphan schools, where the Palestinian kids live, to distribute there also. So this is, we can show you the place that the families will come and take the meat in packaging. So we will have the families here ready. We will start distributing after the zibah, so the families will be ready to receive their meat for eating. And the zibah will be going on there. We will also try to send the meat to some orphan schools and some Palestinian families, those who can't come because of their families.